Hello guys, welcome back. This is MotoIB. Today I just finished washing the bike, so right now I'm gonna do a chain cleaning and put some wax on it. I'm gonna show you what do I have as a cleaner and the 3 products I'm gonna use. So alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so these are gonna be the 3 cleaners I'm gonna be using. The chain cleaner, eco-friendly. So I ran out of the Maxim cleaner, but yeah, so I'm using this cleaner to clean the chain, this multi-purpose to get into the chain, get everything cleared off from rust and everything, and get the wax. I've used this for the past 2 years now, so it's been working fine for me. So these 3 are going to be the ones I'm going to be using. I got a brush cleaner here, and I'm gonna use this rag to clean off any dirt from the chain, and use this rag to clean up the wax from the chain. So, but overall, yeah, this is gonna be the 3 items I'm gonna be using to clean the chain. Alright guys, so the bolt's gonna take off. That one and that one right there from back. Take off the chain card. The tool you're gonna need is a multi-purpose or single, whatever you have. Come on, focus. So the tool you're gonna need is gonna be a 5mm tool. So this is the second biggest from here. So we use that to take this off. And be careful with the extra piece right here. So that might fall off. Next one. And it should slide right up, and there we go. So now we got the chain open. Now you can see on mine, it's really kind of rusty right there. So that's why I got this one. Got that one to clean off the rust. That's just a multi-purpose cleaner, get it penetrated. Alright guys, so the way I like to do it is pretty much sitting down on the floor, have the stand out to be out of the way. So let's get the cleaner going, shake it well. So make sure it's not in gear so it can roll smoothly. So there we go. And the way I like to do it is pretty much spray down. Move the tire. And if you guys have a link on yours, just find it first and just go all the way around until you see it again, so you should know when to stop. For me, I just like to cover it really well, so at least I can clean it. So that should be good. So I'm gonna do it twice. I'm gonna clean it twice. I'm gonna go upside down so I can get the back. Here's how it looks like. So the brush goes over it, it hugs it, and you go from there. Just go back and forth. And at the same time, it has a brush on the bottom, so you kind of press up too, but not too much. So that'll be good because this brush can get both sides, bottom, top, however you use it. So that's the way I like to do that one right there. Alright, let's keep on going. So I'm pulling towards me so we can get the back end. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna spray it again. Then I'm gonna rebrush it so as many times as you need it. So I want my chain to be clean, so. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wipe it off, then probably spray on another cleaner again, the same cleaner I'll say, spray it on again. Careful with the spokes. If you go the wrong way, you can cut up your finger really good. So I'm trying to get under here so I can clean that. It's kind of dirty. So clean that up, then continue cleaning the chain. They go from there. That piece is it's called I think a chain guide. It gets the chain from the front to the rear. So at least it won't hit the frame on here, so, but I'm not really sure what's it called. So right now I'm gonna do another pass with a cleaner, with a brush, wipe it down, then use the multi-purpose penetrating. Gotta check this one too. Let me wipe it down, get the cleaner off, and use the multi-purpose one. At this time you can clean the what's it called, the spokes, the chain sprocket. I know I called it the wrong name earlier, but yeah, the sprocket, you can clean that. I know mine's dirty. Alright, so we got everything clean. Now let's get multi-purpose. Alright guys, so I'm using the end of this brush to get in the nooks and crannies of the chain. I can see on mine it's like there's still dirt on there, so I'm just gonna go around, just brush it down. It is coming off, so if you want your chain to be really clean, you need to take your time. So at the same time, for me, I use my bike as a daily driver, so I don't want to have a broken chain while I'm going to work or getting off for work, so that would be a bad day for me. So, but yeah, the chain is the #1 thing you need to take care of. Then your the tires. I'm brushing down so it won't go up to the frame or to the tire. It looks like I got this side pretty well. So let's get the other side. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna wipe everything down. I got everything off the chain, it looks like. You probably could go even further and try to get into the links in here, but that should be fine. If you maintain your chain, it'll last. So, alrighty. The next step is gonna be the wax, chain wax. So I'm just shaking it really well. I like to use this little straw. Yeah, you can see it. I like to use it because it doesn't spray too much, and I can control it. So now everything is wiped down, looks nice and clean. So we just put on a light coat. If it's too much, we can wipe it down. But alright guys, let me get it in here. Alrighty. I know that's too much right now, so I'm just gonna let it sit there a little bit, then wipe it down, take the excess off, and there we go. We got chain lubed up, got getting the excess off right now so it won't splatter and get a mess everywhere. I just cleaned the bike, so I don't want to get too messy again. But right now it looks like it's pretty good. It's in there with the O-rings. It's on the outside of the chain. Everything's lubed up. Alright guys, so everything's nice and lubed up. It's clean, and that's pretty much it. Let me show you a close-up look at the chain right now. Alright guys, so it looks like everything's pretty much perfect. The chain wax is in between the links. I know my sprocket is dirty, but there's no chain wax on it, so good for me. So overall, the outer chain links, it's clean. The inner ones, it should be covered. But let's get this the chain guard back on, and let's end this video. Alright guys, so this chain guard, there's a piece in the back right here that links with the piece back here, so you need to slide it right on there. So lighten it up, there you go, bolts right in, and let's put in bolts. But I think the specs, it might be like 5 foot-pounds of torque, but it's not much. It's kind of like a hand tying. So here's this one here, with twist with the wrist. Here's the other one, same thing, twist with the wrist, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so we finished up the bike, so it's back here. So right now I got everything up, buttoned up and ready to go. Just finishing up couple of things, and I need to go out to get some stuff done. So alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace out.